Let's take a look at how to configure and set up our AI agents. From the AI menu, let's go to Agents. In here, you can see a list of existing agents, or you can create a new agent. The first step is to select the project that you want the agent to connect to. Or you can select No Project, and the agent won't have access to any of your existing repositories or projects. A No Project agent will act the same way as a regular ChatGPT or Claude agent would work. Let's go ahead and connect our agent to one of our projects. Let's give the agent a name. You can integrate your agent into different messaging platforms like Slack, Discord, Teams, WhatsApp, and other platforms. For some of the platforms, all you need to do is generate a code and follow the instructions. For Slack and Discord, you will need to set up the integration from the integrations menu first, and once you have Slack or Discord connected, you can select from those integrations and enter the channel ID. If you don't select an integration to a messaging platform, you can still use the agent through the chat inside Bruin Cloud and the dashboard builder and the scheduled agent. Under connections, you can select the connection set that you would like to set up. Let's take a look at what connection sets are. From the connections settings, you can create a new connection set. Let's give our connection set a name, and we can select different connections to data platforms. These connections are different from the connections that you have set up for your pipelines. This way you can set up granular and strict permissions for your agents to only be able to access the data they need to access, as well as restrict them to read only. You can check out the different tutorials and documentation we have regarding setting up connections. If you need your agent to access your data, it will need a connection set with the right permissions. If you create an agent with no connection set, it will still be able to perform different types of activities for you without accessing your data. For this agent that we're creating here, we will go and give it an access to one of our connection sets. You can also give the agent access to Bruin Cloud CLI commands. This will allow it to run pipelines, access assets and logs, as well as your data catalog and glossary. You can additionally add specific system prompt for this agent that you are creating and configuring here. Now let's go ahead and create this agent. In the agent settings, you can always go back and reconfigure your agents, add integrations, remove them, or change the system prompt and the connections. From the agent settings, you can also manage access by looking at which teams and members of your organization have access to the agent.